Okay, in this quick video, we're going to learn how to load film into the Minolta Maxxum 3XI. Again, we're using the Fomapan 100. This is the film that I used in the previous film video. I was going to put this in the beginning of the video and forgot to put it in, so I thought I would just go ahead and make it its own standalone little video. Pretty basic. You will open the back of the camera and you will insert the film. You'll put the canister in, basically what will feel like upside down, and you're just going to lay it over top of the intake wheel, the sprockets. Make sure that the sprockets line up with the holes in the sides of the film there. And once you feel like you've got it pushed through there enough, go ahead and close the camera, and like that. And then just go ahead, you'll hear it. Of course, it'll intake some of that film, and now it shows number 1. You are ready to shoot. Now you can go check out the video. Again, it was 2 videos before this one. Look for the Maxxum 3XI with Fomapan 100. All right, guys, happy shooting and enjoy.